Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Sulfur burps, characterized by the smell of rotten eggs, can be caused by certain foods like sulfur-rich veggies, high-protein diets, or infections like H. pylori. To prevent them, avoid trigger foods, e.g., broccoli, cabbage, maintain good hydration, and eat smaller, more frequent meals. If symptoms persist, seek medical advice.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.